Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about geometry. So, students, first term is point. A point indicates a position in space. It has no length, breadth, or thickness. Here, P, R, and S are the points in space, and we will read it as point P, point R, and point S. Now our next term is about line. A line contains an infinite number of points. Here there is a line which has two arrows. These two arrows indicate that this line can be extended from both sides and it has no fixed length. If we have 2 points P and Q over the line, and it can be written as PQ or QP by placing the arrow line above the points, and it can be written as line PQ or line QP or simply line L. Now about the line segment. A line segment contains a finite number of points. It is fixed distance between 2 points on a line. It has two endpoints. Here DE are the two endpoints of line segment, and it is symbolically written as DE or ED. Now about the measurement of the line segment. So measuring the line segment, the distance between 2 points is called the length of the segment. If we want to measure a line segment, we usually use the scale, and there are centimeters, and in 1 centimeter there are 10 lines, which is equal to 1 millimeter. Let's take an example. Suppose we want to measure the length of xy. So we place the scale from x to y. Here it can be easily shown that its length is 5.3 centimeter. So it is how we can measure any line segment by using the measuring tool. Now about the ray. A ray contains an infinite number of points. A ray has one endpoint. The other endpoint of the ray is extended infinitely. Here xy indicates ray, and it is read as ray xy, and we cannot read the ray as yx, and symbolically it is written as xy. Now students, we will discuss about open and closed shapes. If a shape is closed, you can take a pencil and trace it all the way around back to where you started without running into any breaks. And if there is a break in the shape, that means it is not closed and it is called an open shape. Let's take two examples. Here there are two shapes, and in first shape there is an oval, and if we move the pencil around the shape, it has no break. It means we can say it a closed shape. And in second shape, if we move the pencil, it cannot be reached at the final position because there is a break in the shape. So we can say it is a open shape. So therefore, we can say if a shape is closed, you can take a pencil and trace it all the way around back to where you started without running into any breaks, and it is called a closed shape. If there is a break in the shape, that means it is not closed and is called an open shape. So students, this is all about the basic concept of geometry. I hope you all will understand it nicely. Okay, thank you. Take care of yourself.